Good morning, everybody. What is today's date? 18th of Jester 2082. See, time is running very fast. You are in grade 8 now. Next year, grade 9, grade 10, 11, 12, bachelor. Oh my God, how fast, right? But you need to study. You have to be focused and you have to be confident also. And for developing the confidence, we have started our classroom presentation, right? So this is the first classroom presentation of this class in this academic session. Every Sunday we will do classroom presentation. Will that be okay? So this week there are two presentators. Let's welcome them on the stage. Pranisha Dhungana, give her a round of applause. And Ladli Kumari. Okay. Where's the this one? You haven't got? Yeah. You also take this one. Keep that, right? Come on. Now you can start.
Good morning, everyone. Today,
Please. You let me come say. And whenever she calls you, then she'll go. Here you have to find out next slide. Yeah, come on here.
good morning, everyone. Today, I'd like to present the presentation on the topic of scientific learning made by me, Pranisha Dhungana, and Ladli Kumari Sarma. Now, I'd like to start the presentation.
You have to relate. You have to go to
Scientific learning. The first topic is practical activities in science. Practical activities are the important activities of learning about science
Point
and learning.
and then the slide is not other guys. So for this what to do?
Practical activities are the important activities of learning about science. Learning to be scientists, they are essential essential and integral parts of science, which is simply defined as learning by doing. It can be divided into three groups. They are core activities, directly related activities, and complementary activities. Core activities, it includes the hands-on activities such as different investigation, laboratory techniques and procedures, as well as fieldwork. And directly related activities are those activities which are closely linked to the core activities, and they include the practical demonstrations performed by the teachers and analysis of data, etc. Complementary activities are activities which includes the use of presentations, role play, modeling, science-related and group discussions. Um, some objectives of practical activities are: practical activities helps us to engage students in the subject, develop a broad understanding of topics, develop practical skills and techniques, develop many skills that can add value to the students, to gain first-hand experience of materials and process, develop inquiry skills such as control of variables and recording data. Practical activities can help students to improve their personal learning and thinking skills. Some of the basic safety rules whenever we enter the lab are the safety rules are follow dress code and wear an apron to be safe from the chemicals. We should always work in the presence of the teachers. We should know the locations of the safety showers and fire extinguishers. We should always keep the work area neat and clean. We should inspect all the apparatus and equipment regularly. We should store the chemicals and apparatus in designated cabinets floor, and we should wash our hands with soap and water. Now for the further presentation, I would like to call Ladli. An experiment work is a scientific procedure conducted to test a hypothesis or validate a scientific theory. They are important because they allow scientists to test their ideas and theories in a controlled environment, measure and collect data to support or refute their hypothesis, draw conclusion based on evident overall experimental work is a science referred to the systematic process of conducting controlled and planned tests in scientific learning. uh, Observation means using our five senses: sight, hearing, uh, touch, and taste to together information about something we want to study. For example, we can observe the color, taste, and texture of a substance, or we can listen to the sounds it makes. They are important because they helps us to understand the properties and believers of things we are studying.
You can click there. You can click there. Yeah. Done.
A scientific test is a type experiment designed to examine a hypothesis or answer a research question using a controlled and systematic approach. It is a fundamental part of scientific method, a process employed by scientists to invert uh, phenomena and gives knowledge about the natural world. Importance of scientific test. They provides evidence to support or refer to ideas. They ensure accurate data and result. They can reveal pattern and trends in data. They can be replicated to verify findings. They can lead a new technologies and innovations. Now this was the end of the presentation. I hope you understand all the things about scientific learning, and thank you all for giving your time and listening carefully.
Okay, thank you. So they have done up to scientific test, right? Still, some other things are left. Yes or no? So what are left? Let's check 1 second. Then we can find out. Class 8. Um, so practice makes people perfect. This is the first presentation. That's why they were a little bit nervous also. Yeah. Were you nervous or not?
Yes.
And you didn't know later when you check your video, then you can find out what you could do. Yes. So after attending exam, what do you say? Oh, I could do like this, like this, like this, like this. That's why you check this video and you analyze yourself. And from next time, your presentation will be much better. So coming week, roll number 2. Who is roll number 2?
Shazam.
Nissan Bhatta and Demas. Danish. Oh, your brother is Demas, right? So Nissan Bhatta and Demas, you have to complete this chapter. So for you, what is the presentation title? I have same heading. Importance of scientific test already discussed. Now what is next one here? Research work. From research work, you have to do stage of research, this, and then next one is some samples, survey report, method of data collection, and chapter over. So coming Sunday, their presentation. So today they have presented. So what are the three types of practical activities? Core activities, directly related activities, and complementary activities. While writing, they wrote here core activities. This is the first time. So next time they will make such type of slides in which the letters move up and down also. Sometimes they come from outside also, just like that animation. You have made in Google slide, but if you make in PowerPoint presentation and do animation, then it looks very nice. Okay, here is I think transition. Here is slideshow also here. So start from beginning is here. See we can do. Doesn't move? Oh, it's here. It's just like this. Here is this one also. So three type of practical activities. Core activities. Next one, directly activities. Next one, complementary. Core means in which you involve directly, isn't it? Means that is hand-on activities, investigation, laboratory techniques, procedures, field work, directly related. Practical demonstration. If the teacher demonstrates something, that is directly related. Analysis of data and core. This complementary role play. Sometimes they come here and present. That is also the practical activity. Group discussions also you can do it. Next one is objectives of practical activities. How many activities are there? What is the first one? Yeah, it has to engage students in the subject, because the practical activity they will be engaged over there only, and they can understand more and develop broad understanding of topics. If practical work is done, then we can understand. So suppose you may read in the book how to make rice pudding. They can say everything, but in reality also they have to know how to cook it. Do you know how to make rice pudding? These children, they know how to make noodles only. Very simple. For noodles, take some water, boil in a pot, and in that keep all that noodles, hot noodles. You don't know how to make good tea also. Tea. Do you know how to make tea?
Yes.
What is needed to make tea?
Water.
Water, number one. Milk is needed. Then sugar. Then tejpat also needed something. Chai patti or coffee. What items you want to do, no? So their constituent, their quantity also should be appropriate. Some people they make sure the taste is chai. One famous chai wala is there in India. Dolly chai wala. Right? Stylish one also. Hey, you get it before that hotter glasses and stuff like this and that. Coffees are also like that. Last time we had gone to have coffee in Zor side. Zor coffee they provided. Name is Zor. What type of coffee? Zor. There are different names of coffee. Hey, cappuccino, this and that. And they ask, what do you want? Hey, we want cappuccino. But they just prepare coffee like our own. There is some design, no, when they supply. No design was there, so Lang Feng type of. That's why constituents should be up to date. So we have to be practical. Boys especially, they don't know how to cook food. So from tomorrow onwards, ask your parents, how can you help? Some people, they get up. When the food is already ready, then how to help? And night also, they sleep before preparation of food. Morning food is sufficient, what to do? And your diary, very interesting one, right? Learn. And safety rules, these are very important, right? Basic safety rules. Why are you biting your nail? Use nail cutter and cut. Right, boy? Work in presence of teacher, follow dress code, wear apron. While cooking food in kitchen also we have to follow the dress code. Some people, some ladies, they wear nylon sari. Then fire may attack. She will be in attack. No, so many cases we have heard, no? Inside kitchen also we have to follow some safety rules or not? Regulator must be off. We make some regulator on. And we have to be focused while cooking food. Some ladies, what do? They just keep the vessel for cooking food. It is being hot, busy in Instagram, laughing. Up and down. Somebody's action is there. And TikTok latter action is there. Only lip sync only. Right? So full concentration is there everywhere. If there is concentration, you can do. Students also. When you read with full concentration, then it will be set in mind. While writing also, if you are concentrated, it will be set. You are writing and talking. Hey, Kylie, is a movie here is like this. What is written here, didn't? What is this? Vishaga Tamang. And in examination, they want easy questions. Sir, difficult question. Question is never difficult. Is question difficult?
No, sir.
Question is never difficult. Answer also not difficult. If there is question, there will be answer. It's very easy. Question means what should be there?
Answer.
What is difficult? Process is difficult. So you have to make the process easy. So for that you have to focus. Reason size is absent today. Awesome also Maharaj same. Awesome. Remember, focus. And work area should be neat and clean. Every work area should be neat and clean. Some people, what do? They bath in the toilet and the floor is so slippery. Another person goes and what will happen? They also don't know. That's why after bathing, you must not forget to make it up to date, right? Clean it. In slippery, nobody can control. No brakes can be applied there. In practical room also, it should be clean, neat and clean or not? Remember, eh? And scientific test, that is the experiment to examine the hypothesis. What is our hypothesis? To test it, we have to do one experiment. And after doing experiment, we can find out whether that is right or wrong. I think it is done. So next time, who is going to explain? Nissan and Dennis is going to break that ruler. Just he kept his bulb in there and, sir, I am bodybuilder. And Max also builder. Sometimes he will deserve single digit only. Finish. What did you get double digit, right?